Hello everyone, it's Christine. This is my first attempt at making a video to show you the steps of how to compress some files into a compressed folder or zip folder and upload them to the Dropbox. Please be sure to provide me some feedback and let me know if this tool is useful. Again, what we're going to do is zip some files into a compressed zip folder and upload them to the Dropbox. For those of you using a Mac, you will have to search for compressing or zipping a file in your help screen or visit YouTube and find some good tutorials on that. I know there's plenty of them. So here we go. First of all, the purpose of zipping files. I'm going to go navigate to where my files are that I want to zip. I'm going to use the example of the files required for assignment 2. So zipping files just basically makes them smaller. If you take an empty pop can, for instance, and try to put it in your pocket, it doesn't work. But if you flatten it, it will. You haven't lost any of the material, you've just made the pop can more manageable and easier to get in your pocket. So that's what zipping files does. For our purposes, all assignments or anything to the Dropboxes need to be zipped into one zip folder. So to do that, you click on the files that you want to zip. In this case, I want these 4 files. So I'm going to click on them all. I'm then going to right-click, send to compressed zip folder. There's nothing to download, nothing to do. This option is available to you right with Windows. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll see it picks up one of the file names. I'm actually just going to rename it. Assignment 3. Click off, and there it is. There's my zip folder all ready to go. Now when I double click on that, you can see there's my files. And I just want to point out to you how zipping compresses things. Here's the original size of the file. There's the compressed size. So you can see it made it slightly smaller. Now I'll just go back out. There's my zip. My original files are not affected. Then I go to Fancha Online. I'm just going to make sure that I am in student view. I am. As an instructor, I have several views I can look at, but now I should be seeing the same thing as you. Might see a few little different things, just depends on how your screen is set up. Go to the Dropbox. In this case, I'm uploading to assignment 2. You can leave a message here letting me know which file to use, anything you ran into, that kind of thing. Then I'm going to say Add File. Click on Browse and navigate to where my zip folder is that I just created. There it is there. Of course I put assignment 3, but I meant assignment 2, but that's okay. I'm going to click Open, and you'll see it in here. Now, this Add button allows you to add multiple files. But as I said, for the purpose of the Dropbox, I just want you to zip all your files into one folder and upload that. So I've got it all set. I'm going to say Upload. There it is, all set to go. I'm going to click Submit. And here's my confirmation. You'll see an email confirmation is sent successfully. If I just flip into my email, there it is. I get a submission receipt confirming that my file, right there, has been uploaded. And that's it. Now you can upload multiple files to the Dropbox, but you can't take any out because it's basically you're handing something in to me, so you can't take it back out, change it, and put it back in. If for some reason you submit something and realize it's incorrect, just submit again with the correct information and be sure to use, we'll go back here, the notes area to explain to me, here we go, the comments area, to explain to me which one to use. That's it. That's compressing and zipping a file and uploading to the Dropbox.